Yesterday, Verizon released new prepaid smartphone plans and introduced loyalty discounts. Hi there, I'm Cherie with the Mobile Internet Resource Center. And yesterday, Verizon finally rolled out some changes to their prepaid lineup for smartphone plans and introduced a new feature that they're calling loyalty discounts that reward you for being a long-time prepaid customer with them. So from the top, I do want to be very clear and state that their Jetpack plans for mobile hotspot devices and tablets have not changed. There are no changes whatsoever to those plans. The new changes only apply to their smartphone plans. So first of all, what is the loyalty discount? So they still give a autopay discount of $5 per month if you sign up for autopay. And then the loyalty discounts stack on top of the autopay discount. So after you have had your account open for 3 months and been paying for 3 months, they're going to give you an additional $5 off per month, whether or not you're on autopay. After 9 months, they're going to give you another $5 per month. So you can get up to $15 per month off after you've been with them for 9 months. And this applies to any of their new smartphone plans on prepaid. We have found out one of our team members switched their plan yesterday. They had an older prepaid plan and switched over. And because they'd been with Verizon Prepaid for over 9 months already on a different plan, Verizon gave them the loyalty credit. So that's something to keep in mind. Now, the downside to this loyalty discount is they have replaced their former multi-line family plan discount pricing, which was $10 to $20 per month, depending upon the plan that you had. So you'll have to do some math if you have a multi-line account to see if the new loyalty discount might prove better for you or not. In some cases, the old multi-line discounts are actually a better deal. All right, so what are the new plans? They now have 3 offerings that might be of interest to our audience. The first is the unlimited smartphone plan. Previously, this plan was $70 per month, and then they had all sorts of discounts and promotions that might have brought that down lower. And that plan was unlimited high-speed use on the smartphone itself, but that included absolutely no personal mobile hotspot off of it. With this new plan, it now starts at $65 per month, and then those discounts roll in for autopay and loyalty. But now there's an option for $5 per month that you can add on to the plan to enable 10 gigabytes of high-speed mobile hotspot use off of the smartphone. And then after that 10 gigabytes is done, it goes back to 600 kilobits per second. So it goes back to their normal throttling then for mobile hotspot use. Another new feature that they have added to the unlimited data plan is now use in Canada and Mexico is included. You get half a gigabyte per day, which is their standard international roaming allowance on all of their postpaid and now prepaid plan for the unlimited. You no longer have to redeem $5 per day travel passes on the unlimited plan only. Now they also have 2 tiered data plans. They have a 5 gigabyte and a 15 gigabyte that replace their old plans. And on those plans, the terms pretty much remain the same. All the data is usable as mobile hotspot device, and you still, if you want to use it in Canada or Mexico, you redeem the $5 per day travel passes to get that half gigabyte of data usage. So those are the changes to Verizon Prepaid. Again, no changes to the Jetpack or tablet plans. Those remain the same. You can still get multi-line discounts on those. And unfortunately, no, they did not bring back that sweet prepaid unlimited Jetpack plan. It is their current top option is $65 per month for a 30 gigabyte plan on their prepaid Jetpack or tablet plan. These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.